Okay, viewers, well, I got some more batteries to pop. There's a flat, there's batteries, so hopefully they've got something, or they probably won't do much when they're completely flat, but Duracells are bloody epic, so they should pretty damn awesome when I pop these at a welder. So I'm going to start accumulating some more batteries, and whenever I get a chance or a spare day off, I'll start popping some more batteries. It's going to be bloody hot these next couple of days. I reckon about 44, 45 later on during the week, so it's going to be bloody hot. Okay, viewers, just messing with this amplifier. I got the negative disconnected. I got the positive wire jumped to these speakers, so somehow the VCC and this pin here and this pin here are the actual inputs to the amp. But it doesn't seem to be working unless I bypass that and just put a jumper straight through the speakers on positive. The audio is getting through, and that seems about right, because my other amps do the same thing when they power turned on. This one, I put this on the ground. I cannot find where the short is, unless this chip's damaged. I'm not sure. Someone might have damaged this chip intentionally somehow, I'm not too sure. I can't seem to get it to work right. I followed this diagram and did the other YouTuber suggested, put the power via those little Newton standby functions, and that didn't seem to have any effect on the circuit. The bloody thing just gets hot, and that's it. Just keeps distorting. It's about all I get. Where the short is, I don't know. I've tried everything, desoldered some stuff there, and it hasn't changed nothing. Still getting warm. So I just wonder if this someone's damaged this audio IC somehow when the TV was scrapped. Don't know. Okay, I've also got some copper diodes to this ZVS. There's a UF 4001s. And I realised this is not an MKP capacitor. This is MKC, so yeah, I've been playing around with all different capacitors. I couldn't get a good oscillation, I got nothing. And I bypassed this bloody resistor, I put power straight into here, which you're not supposed to, part of the circuit obviously, but it oscillated very slowly, so I think I'm going to have to actually get a proper MKP capacitor, so none of these ones have got actually worked in the circuit here. This inductor, I got some result out of it, not a good one. So I'll keep messing with it in the meantime, so that's still a long-term project, that one. Meantime, I'm going to continue raiding the goodies off this circuit board. Got some relays there. These are probably part of the where that transformer that I got off a couple of one of the previous videos. I made it into a little 12-volt power supply. With that transformer, I would have drove these relays. These are 5-volt relays. Switch 5 amp 250 volt AC. That's what they're switching. So I'll keep those, take that off, some capacitors, take that quasi-resonant flyback driver off. That's a diode, I think it's a fast diode of some description, part of the flyback circuit. That's the horizontal output, that one, I'm keeping that one. Vertical output, I'll keep that. And that, which drives this. That's ferrite core power supply transformer driver, that. Looks kind of like it's a it looks in the same package as a stepping motor driver. So it's a similar device anyway. They are Fairchild. And then power supply switching transistor, so I'll definitely keep those. I'll keep that. And there's a little bit of goodies on here. So TDA 2822M. That's a little, I think it's only a little 1 watt or 2 watt audio amplifier. They're used in small pocket radios. Had a cassette player to use one of those, and for what it was pretty darn loud. There you got some more transistors I'll keep there. Some resistors. Nice little heatsink. Alright, let's commence loading the goodies off this. Okay, viewers, I've got some of the inductors that are in the within the vicinity of the flyback driver circuit, so they'll come in handy. Some Fairchild power transistors, quasi-resonant TV flyback driver, STR F6456, fast diode, and a inductor for the live and neutral side of the power supply with a loose ferrite. Another fast diode, some capacitors, inductor with a variable slug in the middle. You can adjust it, adjust its value. Another transistor there, some relays, thermistor, and the Panasonic horizontal output driver. There you go. That will come in handy. Viewers, that'll be enough for now, so thanks for watching.